Hey, what's up guys? This is Vitaly with the Sprinter Motors, and today we have this beautiful Sprinter van. We're gonna put the LED headlights instead of this halogen lights, and together with the leveling system we'll perform the calibration and the coating to get rid of all the fault codes, and we'll do the wiring process. I'll show you how to do it simple without buying any unnecessary wiring. We'll start first of carefully taking out this bumper. It has the radar, sensors, and the winch. So this is how the factory halogen lights work. Absolutely bad design and bad light. I'm gonna turn off the lights in the shop so you can see. When you're driving in a fog or rain, you clearly can't see anything. That's how bad they are. Well, after a few unsuccessful attempts to take the headlight out, unfortunately there's no other way. Already losing a little bit the bolts that holds the bumper, but there's no way to take the headlight out unless we will completely take off the bumper. I mean, I'm not gonna take it off completely. I'm gonna use the forklift and I'll just lose the bolts more and gonna lift it front a little bit more, so I'll have an access to take the headlight out. Because of those rails, the headlight just stuck here and doesn't want to move at all. So left side is completely out now, but I had to almost remove the bumper. I just can't imagine if he will need the owner of this vehicle or any other owner of this vehicle with bumper like that will need some maintenance on the radiators. It's gonna take some time to get that out, to get this bumper out, and I just don't want to disconnect any of the sensors and any of the parking sensors or cameras. So that's why I'm trying to be as much as accurate as possible. But it definitely takes some time to take it out. And on the left side was easier. The right side will be more complicated because it just goes behind the DF tank. So we'll put the left side first, and then we'll move the bumper to the left so I can free the right side. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? Now we are going to change the order of the pins of the connectors on both sides, and put 2 wires for the leveling system. So we will start working on our wiring on the left side. By the way, because the left side has the wiring for the leveling sensors, front left and front rear. So the leveling sensors are located on the front left suspension and the rear left suspension. And all the wires are coming to the wiring from the sensor are coming to the socket, and the sensors are getting the power from the headlight. On the socket you will see the numbers. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the order, and the numbers which each wire has the certain number. So I took the diagram of the numbers and the wirings for the halogen and LED lights. So we have on the LED lights we only need 4 wires besides the leveling sensors. That's the main wires are our CAN low, CAN high, negative, and negative, so-called ground, and the plus power supply. They'll go to the fuse number 68 and 69. But instead of just putting the new wiring, whatever they buy from Germany or any other place, we will just change the order of those wires here and there at the sum module without any further modifications, except just we will add 4 wires that are going to go for the leveling sensors. So we have on the halogen lights, we have wire number 1. It's a signal wire. It's a black and white wire. Here is it. That's the wire number 1. Here, that's the number 1. It's a signal wire. It will be our CAN low here. The second wire, the CAN high wire, it will be our wire number 3. It's a daytime running control positive. So we will need to move this wire from the position number 3 to the position number 2. Then we have our ground wire, this one. It has a number 5, but for the LED lights it must have number 10. So we'll have to move it from number 5 to number 10. It's going to be our number 13, 12, 11, 10 here. And our power supply, that's the yellow and black. Here, yellow and black. Here it has a number 6, position number 6, but we'll have to move it to the number 9. So just under number 10. So we'll have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's going to be a yellow and black will be here, and our ground will be here. This type of sockets are pretty simple. There are 2 different types of sockets depending on the build of the sprinter van, but here are small locks. You carefully pry them and unlock it, so this way you will be able to to pull that. I'm going to show you right now, carefully to pull them out from their sitting places. We have to move this wire. It has a small plug over here, so we have to be really careful. I'm going to take something more narrow to pry that plug out. So now I'm gonna move the green one, that's the daytime running control now, to the position number 2. That's gonna be our CAN high. I will have to open this lock here and need to carefully open the locks underneath the plug here too as well for our, yeah, just like that. So after you remove the wire, you'll see a small lock over here. You have to put it back in order. Lock the wire in place on a new place, on a new sitting place. So same we're doing on the other side, just changing the order of the connector. In this case, it's almost the same on like on the left side, but some colors are different. So I already put the lights and the bumper in. That's how it looks like. The difference is just spectacular. So we're gonna start everything with changing the order of the wires with a CAN high and CAN low. Here's the place where you connect your can high and can low. I already connected to sockets that I had from the old sprint event, but if you don't have them, I think you could just connect to either one of those. Doesn't really matter. And then the solid green color, it's a can low. The green with the stripe, it's a can high. In my case, it's gonna be violet. Solid violet will be can low, and violet with the stripe will be can high. All right, let's connect the left headlight first, the can high and low. Here's the order of those wires. So if you remember, we have our signal wire number 1, that's black and white, that's a can low. It is located in MR1 socket and wire number 1. The can high, that's the green black wire, it's the connector number 17, the wire number 17, the connector RBA1. So let's disconnect the let's disconnect the MR1 connector first. And here you see the numbers. And we need the number 1. Here's the number 1. And taking out that carefully, that piece. Okay, you see the wire black and white. That's our, if you remember, that's our signal wire and our can low, which will be connected to the solid violet. Carefully pressing. That's it. And in the end, we'll check the light, and we see that everything works. I'm gonna do the same for the right side. Everything works as it should work. So now we have to solder everything and to perform the coating. All right, and get the things here aligned perfectly, so it's gonna look clean and nice. And that's the pretty much easy way to do the wiring job and save 300 bucks or so on a German wiring or whatever. But of course, for some people it might be probably easier to just buy the already pre-made set. I'm not saying anything against it, but for me it's just really easier to redo the wiring, of course. All right, we'll show up a little bit of coating process and the leveling system left. So after we did some coating update, no more full coats at all. Everything works excellent, and absolutely no problem. Just the airbag, but besides the airbag, all the lights shaking up again. Excellent. We'll show it once again. Shutting down the vehicle and starting it again. no fault codes. Thank you for watching, and as usual, subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions about the LED lights, or if you want to get those lights installed in our shop, feel free to reach me through the YouTube or email or our website, supernomotors.com. Also, we just got the big package of our chain tool, so you can check it out on eBay. And of course, subscribe. I'll be really happy to help you out in the future with making more videos.